Click register. Yolanda, welcome back. It's the moment of truth. We've set up our database, we've connected it to the server, and now we should have our front end working. We might have a little bit cleanup that we need to do, but let's test everything out. I'm going to create a new user. And this new user, well, first of all, since she doesn't exist, let's test it out. I shouldn't be able to sign in. I'm going to call her Yolanda at gmail.com. Her password will be trees. I sign in. And I get an error. Failed to load resources, but I shouldn't be able to sign in, right? So let's go to the front end and fix this issue. In the app.js, when we sign in, we see that we're grabbing the sign in, and if we get a response, we then load the users with that response. And you might remember, if we go back to our server, that with sign in, if anything fails, I give back JSON. And JSON, well, technically that's a piece of string that we're gonna have, and that will be true. In our case, we can just check that there's a users.id. So we can just check that the user has an ID. All right, let's give that a go. I'll sign in with Yolanda at gmail.com, and we'll do hello as her password. Nope, it doesn't let me sign in. And I can display an error message here, but for now, that's working. So let's register Yolanda. Click register, Yolanda. We'll have Yolanda at gmail.com. We'll have hello as her password. Click register. All right, Yolanda, your current entry count is 0. Let's find a face that Yolanda can use. And we can use this face. We'll press it in here. It's detecting the face, that's awesome. Yolanda, your current entry count is 1. Let's sign out. And now if we go to sign in and do Yolanda at gmail.com and get hello, I click sign in. That is awesome. If I sign out, and let's enter a wrong password for Yolanda. If I do Yolanda at gibberish, it doesn't let me sign in. If we look at the console, we have the server responded with 400. Awesome. So we have everything working as we wanted to. Let's just submit the same image all over again. And look at that. Current entry count is 2. Amazing. We have our app working. Good job getting this far. So excited that we got this to work. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. welcome back. I want to just take a second to say good job getting this far. I know it's not easy just following a voice and a screen, and that requires a lot of motivation. So again, thank you for sticking in there. I really hope that you've learned a lot in this and you're excited to learn even more. You see, we're able to start from just simple HTML to building our database and connecting it to a server and creating this beautiful app that you can now see how much potential we have. We can really expand this to do so many things. And that is why being a developer is so amazing. You literally have the power to do anything you want. Whatever you want to build, there's a way. And I hope you really got that. Now, this app of ours, there really is a lot that can be improved. There's a ton of things that we can clean up, a lot of validation that we'll need to fix, and some optimizations. But following somebody on a project can get pretty daunting. So I want to hear from you. I want to hear what you want to see next, how we would like to improve this app. Maybe you want to create sessions so that if I come back to this app, I don't have to log in every single time. Maybe you want to just expand on this and create a user profile so that we can update and delete users. Let me know what you think you want to do in this course, because I want this to be fluid. I want you to learn things that you're actually interested in. So let me know, and I will keep working on this app with whatever new features you want to add. But again, good job. You've gotten this far. Boy, it definitely took me a long time to record these videos, and I'm glad that we got here as well. But there's so much more to learn. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Boy, it